May I have your kind attention, please? The official program of Samavarthanam 2021 will begin shortly. The guests have arrived and the procession will reach the hall soon. We have a few important announcements. The ceremony would be starting shortly. We would appreciate if you could kindly switch your mobile phones to silent mode. Please maintain absolute silence throughout the program. Taking photographs is not permitted during the program. You may contact the official photographer for copies. I repeat, the ceremony would be starting shortly. We would appreciate if you could kindly switch your mobile phones to silent mode. Please maintain absolute silence throughout the program. Taking photographs is not permitted during the program. You may contact the official photographers for copies. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the procession is making a grand entry into the auditorium. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause. Thank you all. Please be seated. A very warm good afternoon and a hearty welcome to all. For over a year now, the COVID-19 pandemic has redefined and reshaped graduates' last year of college. In March 2020, campus closures upended students' lives, forcing them to finish their final year virtually. Seniors this year face a similar fate as the pandemic continues to prevent many students from enjoying the traditional campus and graduation experience. Last year, in response to the coronavirus, RSET postponed graduation ceremonies, shifted to virtual celebrations, or cancelled commencement altogether. This year, however, RSET plans to return to in-person commencement ceremonies with social distancing guidelines and COVID-19 safety protocols to honor a 17th batch of BTech and 11th batch of MTech students and acknowledge them all for their efforts. However, we are also glad to include our shining stars from the 16th batch of BTech and 10th batch of MTech to be a part of this gathering and to appreciate them for their meritorious performance. Graduation Day is always a day of rejoicing, for it marks the conclusion of an educational journey and the commencement of another more uncertain and more difficult part of man's quest for a better life and future. Truly, today signifies the culmination of many years of hard work in the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Knowledge that will enable a person to embrace opportunities and to take on challenges with clear vision and purpose. Welcome to the graduation ceremony of Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology. Respected dignitaries, parents, teachers, invited guests, and students, we are delighted to welcome you all to Samavarthanam 2021, the course completion ceremony of the 11th batch of MTech and 17th batch of BTech students of Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology. RSET has named this ceremony Samavarthanam after the rite of passage mentioned in the ancient texts of the land, wherein the student completes his formal education in the Vedas in the Gurukulam and returns to his home ready to embark on the next ashrama or stage of his life. Adapting this Indian tradition in its own way, RSET today bids farewell to its beloved graduates and proudly presents the course completion certificate to 65 postgraduate students and 729 graduate students. We take this opportunity to mention that this is the third batch of the BTech program affiliated to APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University, Kerala, and RSET has the distinction of having the highest number of graduates in the state for the BTech program. May I invite our guest of honor, Dr. P.S. Sati Devi, Director in Charge, NIT Calicut, and Provincial CMI Sacred Heart Province and Manager RSET, Reverend Father Benny Nalkara CMI, who will be joining us online today. I humbly request our dignitaries, Director, Reverend Dr. Jose Kudedet CMI, Principal, Dr. P.S. Srijit, Assistant Director, Reverend Dr. Joel George Pololil CMI, Vice Principal, Reverend Dr. Jason Paul Mullerikil CMI, Dean of Research, Dr. K. Paulos Jacob, Heads of Department, to join us on the dais to honor this occasion. Our Vice Principal, Reverend Dr. Jason Paul Mullerikil CMI, is unable to join us on dais due to health issues, but he has graced this occasion with his presence in this auditorium today. I take immense pleasure in welcoming our Director, Reverend Dr. Jose Curiadet CMI, the sculpture of determination and self-confidence, who incessantly chisels only the excellence of the individuals to declare the graduation ceremony open.
We begin Samavarthanam 2021 of the 11th batch of MTech degree and 17th batch of BTech degree program of Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology. Thank you.
Thank you, Father. To begin this auspicious occasion, let's first invoke the blessings of the God Almighty. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request all of you to please stand for the invocation.
നല്ല ബുദ്ധിയായി എൻ്റെ മനസ്സിലും നല്ല ചെയ്തിയായി എൻ പിഞ്ചു കയ്യിലും നല്ല ഭാഷയായി നാവിൻ്റെ തുമ്പിലും നന്മയായി നീ കടന്നിരിക്കണമേ.
എന്നെന്നും നിറയും വെളിച്ചമേ എൻ മനസ്സിൽ കുടിയിരിക്കണമേ.
Thank you. Please take your seats. Our Director, Reverend Dr. Jose Curiadet CMI, holds a doctoral degree in sociology and did his postdoctoral research at Catholic University of Leuven, Belgium. He was the former principal of Sacred Heart College, and prior to assuming the position of the Director of RSET, he was the Provincial Superior of Sacred Heart Province of the CMI congregation. May I now invite our beloved Director for the welcome address.
Reverend Father Benny Nalkara, the Provincial and Manager of Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology, who will be joining us online. Dr. P.S. Sadi Devi, the Director in charge of NIT Calicut, who is also going to join us online. Dr. Professor P.S. Srijit, the Principal, Reverend Dr. Jason Mulerik, the Vice Principal, Reverend Dr. Joel George, CMI, the Assistant Director, Professor Dr. Paulos Jacob, Dean of Research, Reverend Fathers, HODs, members of the faculty and of the non-teaching staff, my dear students who are graduating from RSET after a very fruitful graduate or postgraduate program, their parents, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Though the pandemic COVID-19 continues to threaten our life and health, even after almost 1.5 years, we are very proud today to organize the 17th convocation or Samavarthanam or course completion ceremony as we say for more than 700 outgoing students of our 7 BTech branches and the 11th Samavarthanam for the 5 MTech courses. It gives us great satisfaction that this year our pass percentage for BTech has been 77.88, the 5th in KTU, with the second largest number of students who took the exams, that is 728. We are also happy that we have great placement record this year, more than 900 offers, and try our best to help the outgoing students to build their life career. As most of you may know, Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology, one of the major constituent units of the Rajagiri group of higher educational institutions, was established in 2001. It was started as part of an ongoing endeavor by the priests of the Congregation of Carmelites of Mary Immaculate, or the CMI Fathers, to take creative steps in the field of education, following the legacy of our founder, Saint Kuriakos Elias Chavara, who initiated an educational movement in the 19th century Kerala and paved the way for the integral transformation of the society then. Ever since its beginning, the congregation has been working for the enlightenment and empowerment of the society, first in Kerala, and now, after almost 2 centuries, through religious, spiritual institutions, and more visibly through around 800 educational institutions ranging from lower KG to professional colleges and to a university. The Rajagiri institutions among the CMI institutions stand out as icons or beacons of excellence and innovation. Regarding RSET, it is trying our best to mold globally competent, socially sensitive entrepreneurs and technically capable engineers who will provide responsible, holistic leadership in the society. RSET has an excellent track record in this area. As a result, last year it was raised to autonomous status, as you know, and has been given permission to start very contextualized and currently relevant courses like artificial intelligence and data analysis, computer science and business system. The CSBS, or Computer Science and Business System, is a blending of computer science and business administration, the first ever program in Kerala in collaboration with the internationally well-known TCS. In the field of research conferences, undertaking of various timely and socially useful projects, production and dissemination of knowledge through publications, and several other creative ventures, RSET is functioning in partnership with reputed universities and colleges in India and abroad, so that we steadily grow to a nationally premier institution. On this auspicious occasion, Reverend Father Benny Nalkara, our provincial and manager, who joins us online, presides over this joyous function. Father Nalkara did his higher studies in theology at Gregorian University, Rome, and before being elected as a provincial and manager last year, he was a professor of theology and Bible at Dharmaram Vidyakshetram, Bengaluru, and Athenaeum of Ecclesiastical Studies. He is also a very good orator and writer. Our cordial welcome to you, Father. Thank you. Our chief guest of the day, who delivers the Samavarthanam or course completion address, is Dr. Professor P.S. Sati Devi, the Director in charge of NIT Calicut. After securing BTech from REC Calicut, Professor Sati Devi obtained MTech from CUSAT, Kochi, and took PhD from REC Calicut. She became a professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at NIT in 2007, Dean Academics in 2017, Deputy Director of NIT in 2020, and now the Director in charge. Her areas of special interest have been speech and audio processing, biomedical signal processing, wavelets, and cryptography. So she has done a number of projects in these areas and has guided more than a dozen PhD scholars. She has published more than 50 research papers and has participated in more than 60 national and international conferences. We are grateful that accepting our invitation, Professor Sadi Devi has agreed to deliver the Samavarthanam address on behalf of the entire ARSET family and all those who are gathered here. I am very happy to welcome you, ma'am, to this Samavarthanam program 2021. Dr. Professor P.S. Srijit, the principal, Reverend Dr. Joel Pulolil, the assistant director, Reverend Dr. Jason Mulerikal, vice principal, members of the board of governors and members of the academic council, and all are those who give leadership to ARSET at various levels, and through their distinctive roles and duties have been helping our students to reach their educational goals and equipping them for their future career. I welcome all of them together to this joyful occasion. I cordially welcome in a special way and with much pride all those students who have completed the study program and begin their life in the open society, especially those students who are going to receive various kinds of special awards. So I welcome them to this convocation ceremony, which I believe is a proud moment in their life. Welcome, dear students. My hearty congratulations also to them. I also cordially welcome also their parents of the students, the members of the faculty, especially the heads of the departments, the non-teaching staff, the alumni, and all other guests to this August program. Once more, welcoming all of you, I remain. Thank you.
Thank you, Father. It's my privilege to introduce our respected provincial and manager, Reverend Father Benny Nalkara CMI. Reverend Father Benny Nalkara CMI has been serving as a faculty for New Testament and Biblical Greek in the Faculty of Theology at Dharmaram Vidyashetram, Bangalore, prior to becoming the provincial. He was also a member of Academic Council of Christ, deemed to be university, and a member of the Permanent Advisory Council of Dharmaram College since 2011. He had his higher studies in sacred theology from Gregorian Pontifical University, Rome, with specialization in biblical studies. Father Benny has got language proficiencies in several languages, including Greek, Hebrew, Italian, and German languages. As a columnist, poet, and lyricist, he regularly contributes to writing and publication. May I now request our provincial, Reverend Father Benny Nalkara CMI, to deliver the presidential address.
Dr. P.S. Sadi Devi, the chief guest of this graduation ceremony, Reverend Dr. Jose Courier CMI, the director of ARSET, Dr. P.S. Srijit, the principal, Dr. P.B. Vinod Kumar, the controller of examinations, respected deans, HODs, members of the faculty, the supporting staff, beloved parents, and my dear graduating students. We are witnessing to a glorious moment, the graduation ceremony of ARSET, which marks a great day in the lives of you, the young graduating Rajagirians. At the very outset, I congratulate all the graduating students and all their mentors who prepared them for this great moment. Dear students, at this glorious moment, when you are brimming with joy and happiness, when your parents and teachers are in elated mood of fulfillment, and when your dear and near ones are proud of you, you are being sent from here with a mission of spreading the good news you have heard from this alma mater. This graduation day may be an important milestone for many of you because this will mark an inflection point from student life to your work life. The process through which you pass through for the last couple of years is a blueprint for your life. The lectures you listened to, the classes you attended, the tests you have taken, the assignments you submitted, the people whom you interacted with have all prepared you to this glorious moment. But they are not just for this moment, it is for your life. Your dreams have come true today, but you are only at the beginning of your bright future ahead. Your dreams are not over. You should have more and more dreams from today. Dreams for your successful life, for a peaceful world, for a united humanity, and for a stable family life. Rajagiri has given you ample opportunities for your holistic development. As you are graduates of Rajagiri, you will always bear the signs of this institute. May the motto of Rajagiri, learn, serve, excel, continue to inspire you all. Remember that you are going out from here not merely as earning people, but the learned and learning ones who continue to learn great truths of life. You have the potentials to be excellent. Realize them. Grow from good to great. Remember that you are going out of this institution not as mere engineers or techies. You graduate from here as people with more holistic vision, strong human values, and social sensibility. You must be techies with a tender heart who will serve others with grace. And the tag Rajagirians will help you to cast out sadness in others, to speak in golden tongue, to overcome difficult tasks, to handle tough situations and responsibilities, and to work miracles in the lives of others. You are graduating in a time of pandemic that has affected the entire world. COVID-19 has changed us and the world in an unprecedented way. I am sure this crisis might have molded you into deeply committed, vibrant, and socially relevant young engineers who will assist to steer organizations and the nation in the right direction, especially during these turbulent times and beyond. And your education at ARSET, a leader in higher education, has prepared you well for this mission. May these Rajagiri values help you to protect from the viruses of indifference, selfishness, corruption, and intolerance. Try to be the healers of this world with your engineering skills blended with the social sensitivity, moral uprightness, truthfulness, and other-centeredness to make the people around you rich, proud, and happy. Dear parents, while we thank you for the faith bestowed on us when your sons and daughters were sent here, we are happy and confident to send them back to you as holistic human beings capable of serving their family, society, and the nation at large through the responsible holistic education they received from the portals of Rajagiri. Dear students, your pursuit of excellence does not end with the graduation. Your real journey begins here. Learn more with the passion. Serve everyone with love. Excel in everything. And I wish you all great success. Congratulations. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, Father. Samavarthanam 2021 is a culmination of the demanding academic regimen of 2 years for the 11th batch of MTech students and of the past 4 years for the 17th batch of BTech students of ARSET. On this special occasion, we are honored to have with us our guest of honor, Dr. P.S. Sati Devi. Dr. P.S. Sati Devi Director in charge of National Institute of Technology, Calicut, received her BTech from REC Calicut, Masters from CUSAT, and PhD from REC Calicut. Her main area of research is speech and audio processing, biomedical signal processing, wavelets, and cryptography. Dr. P.S. Sati Devi has guided 11 PhD students, and many are currently working under her supervision. She has published many research articles in reputed journals and research publications in reputed conferences, workshops, and symposiums. It's a great privilege for us to have an academic doyen like her with us today. May I request the guest of honor, Dr. P.S. Sati Devi ma'am, to deliver the Samavarthanam address.
Respected Director of Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology, Reverend Dr. Jose Kuriadat, Provincial and Manager of Sacred Heart CMI Province, Reverend Father Benny Nalkara, Principal Dr. Srijit P.S., Vice Principal Reverend Dr. Jason Paul Mullerikal, members of the management of Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology, esteemed professors and faculty members, distinguished guests and alumni, dear graduating students and their beloved parents, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon to you all. Being the chief guest for Samavarthanam 2021, which is the course completion ceremony of 11th batch of MTech and 17th batch of BTech students of this prestigious technological institute. It's a great privilege and recognition to me. And I wish to thank the principal, Dr. Srijit P.S., and the management of Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology for extending to me this great honor. All of us know that Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology has been granted autonomous status by University Grants Commission in the year 2020. And this is one of the best educational institutes in Kerala, offering undergraduate, postgraduate, and PhD programs in engineering. Getting convocated at any time of one's life is no mean task. Whatever be one's age, the recognition for an academic achievement is a morale booster, and I'm sure it is for you as well. Although this function is held online, which would have otherwise been a get-together of sorts to see one's friends and classmates, the occasion calls for celebration and joy, as it is a red letter day in the life of the graduate as well as it is for the institute. We live in seemingly strange times, and the changes that we have witnessed in the past 1.5 years were not envisaged by anyone, except of course in comic books. Hence, to embark on a professional career at this point of time is challenging and at the same time enriched with a lot of opportunities. Academic curriculum in your programs of study has equipped you with the skill sets required for a professional career in the industry, research organizations, and academia. I'm sure your institute, with its excellent faculty members and excellent infrastructure, have done their job in making you equipped to face the world outside. But that, however, unfortunately, is not enough. Confucius, a Chinese philosopher, once beautifully explained, by 3 methods we may learn wisdom. First, by reflection, which is noblest. Second, by imitation, which is easiest. And third, by experience, which is the bitterest. At the beginning of our academic engagement, we learn by imitation, by experimenting with the chemicals and equipment in the laboratories and following the procedure in the lab manuals, applying a load on a brick in the UTM, or by setting up a circuit and seeing an output in the electronics lab, etc. We try to simulate a real world scenario and see the response, means how the system responds to various stimuli. The fundamentals of the courses that you have studied are expected to be reinforced by this level of learning. Now, at this stage of your progression in life from academics to industry, it is expected that you learn by experience. An act of keen observation and knowledge building in the initial stages of your career are sure steps to build a reinforced base of knowledge and technical powers. However, one should also be aware that to gain experience, it is also necessary to adapt oneself to the recent changes in the technological fields. Programming skills are the need of the hour in the current technological field. Moreover, the adaptability and open-mindedness to learn new skills and make yourself more relevant is a critical trait that young graduates like you should surely possess. In an age where the boundaries between the various disciplines of engineering are getting blurred, smooth transition from one job to the next can only be accomplished if the fire for learning the new and relevant is kept burning. As much as it is important to keep oneself updated, it also enjoins you to give top priority to find solutions to problems faced by our society. The technological advancements that one sees around are the products of need-based development and the never-ending curiosity of the human race to explore and adapt. It goes without saying that as graduates of the 21st century, it enjoys upon you to find sustainable solutions for the day-to-day problems faced by us. May it be the development of a new construction material or the design and development of a new age electronic equipment. The technical knowledge of the bright young minds is very much essential. As an electronics engineer, I have witnessed the tremendous changes in this field over the last 40 years. We live in a world of instant communications to anywhere in the world using our mobile phones and with apps like WhatsApp, Skype, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc. Even email seems old-fashioned these days. On TV, we get as many channels and choices as we want throughout day and night. More and more, we watch the programs on our mobile devices at our own convenience through asynchronous mode based on our choice. We read books online, again using apps. As a teacher and a researcher, I have learned new techniques and got acquainted with the developments in the electronics engineering, especially in the area of signal processing, with the strong support from my students. In fact, I am proud to state that I have learned the recent developments in my area from my students. Therefore, it is important that as graduates of engineering and technology, concerted efforts are undertaken by you for knowledge updation and application of the skill sets developed. Perhaps, as told by Confucius, reflection is the noblest way to attain wisdom. It is after years of experience and exposure that one gains the expertise to look at the larger picture of things and learn to quickly sort the wheat from the chaff. Reflection and contemplation are traits that are today alien to the majority of the people on account of the fast-paced lives. It is to be remembered that clarity would come only in a still mind and not in a turbulent mind. Hence, wisdom and clarity of thought are to be attained by introspection and a keen awareness of oneself. However, the attainment of wisdom is a long drawn process. And if education is thought of as the first step towards wisdom, the process of education is never ending. To quote the words of famous Indian philosopher Chiddu Krishnamurti, there is no end to education. It is not that you read a book, pass an examination, and finish with education. The whole of life, from the moment you are born to the moment you die, is a process of learning. I urge you, therefore, to keep up the fire of burning ignited throughout your life. It would give you exposure to different schools of thought and widen your spheres of expertise. Dear students, you are very fortunate to have had the opportunity to study and graduate from an institution of reputation. When you achieve success in later life, please don't forget your alma mater. Please keep your alma mater always in your heart. Any opportunity you get or any resources you can spare, the same should be made use of for helping your institution in return for what you have received during your stay here. Before you step out of the institution, don't forget to seek the blessings of your teachers. I urge you to passionately work towards fulfilling your dreams without compromising on the core values of your profession, mainly truth, fairness, good faith, and courtesy to the society. I wish all the graduating students all success, happiness, and satisfaction in your life. May God bless you all. Thank you.
Thank you for that inspiring address, ma'am. The principal of RSET, Dr. P.S. Srijit, is a master of many trades who has continuously strived to academically invigorate the faculty and the students of this institution. He has briefly worked in the industry prior to joining academia, and in his academic career, he has occupied several eminent positions in various reputed colleges and universities in India and abroad. Prior to joining RSET, Dr. Srijit was the Dean of the Faculty of Engineering, CUSAT. On this occasion, we feel proud to congratulate our principal, Dr. P.S. Srijit, for being nominated as the UGC nominee to the Syndicate of Cochin University of Science and Technology. Congratulations, sir. May I take the pleasure of inviting Dr. P.S. Srijit for the principal's statement.
Good afternoon, everybody. Respected Director, on behalf of Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology, I, the Principal, report that 65 students have successfully completed the 4th semester coursework leading to the award of Master of Technology degree, and 729 students have successfully completed the 8th semester coursework leading to the award of Bachelor of Technology degree in July 2021. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We'll now move on to the list of students who have successfully completed their BTech and MTech course during the year 2021. The students will be called in the alphabetical order by their respective head of the department. We begin with the course completion list for the BTech and MTech programs in the Department of Applied Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. I request the head of the department, Dr. Hari CV, to read out the names of students who have completed the 4-year BTech course in Applied Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, and then the names of students who have completed the 2-year MTech course in Signal Processing.
Good afternoon all. I present the list of BTech graduates from the Department of Applied Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering in the year 2021. Aditya Satyan, Akhil Givargis Albi, Akhil Jayaprakash, Akshay Baby. Alex George C., Alex J. Varghese, Amal K.R., Amal Saji. Anthony Thomas, Aparna Baby, Arjun Shankar, Arjun Somasundaram. Ashwin V. Wilson, Ashwin Sajeev, Ashwin R., Deepak Pius. Donna Gladson, Elizabeth Akhila, Elson E. Sargent, Ferdin Paul. Flavin Sunny, Joel Anthony, Jubi Sunny, Kalyani K. Nair. Kevin John, Maria Jose, Muhammad Shahir, Noel Jijo. Parvati Jagadish, Praful SP, Rahul Tommy, Ridu Dinesh, Rivia Anna Noble, Rocky Fabi Dicuna, S. Ashwin Shankar, Samuel Jose, Shivani Santosh, Tony Tom, Victor George Reju, and Vignesh Anantakrishnan. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I request the head of the Department of Civil Engineering, Professor Vincent K. John, to read out the names of students who have completed the 4-year BTech course in Civil Engineering.
Good afternoon, everyone. I present the list, the graduated list from Department of Civil Engineering in the year 2021. Abhijit Vasudevan, Abubakar MP, Ajit Sudarshan, Akshara TR, Alina Celine BS, Emil Anthony Benedict, Anaga Kuriakos, Anaga Pisharadi, Anandas, Anita John, Anjana Francis, S. Anjita, Anlit Lebius, Andit Elsa Vergis, Anthony Thomas, Aaron Roy, Arun Shajan, Bija Thomas, Kamal Maria, Sanyas Kumar, Krishya Mugalil Parambil Sunny, Amy Elizabeth Joby, Fabian Tom, Hari Krishnan KS, Jasmine Elsina, Jeevan Jacob, Joel Sunil Thomas, John Chittilapilli, Jwala Joshi K, Kevin C. Koshi, Kevin Kurian Joseph, Kiran Johnny, K. Kiran Raj, Kriba Gabakumar, Krishna Sarasan Arun, Lina Elsa Patros, Leonstein Jose, Madhavi Mohan, Maria Baby, Maria Pius, Martin Kachapulli, Matthew Abraham Vellapulli, Marin Sabu, Mohammad Afan, Mohammad Nihat P, Nadia Faisi, Nasrin KH, Nigil K. Sabu, Nisha Matthew, Philip Jacob, Pooja Krishna Prasad, Roshni Susan Matthew, Satvik Suresh, Shivani I, Sitara A. Sona Rose Beans, Sona Toji, Sri Lakshmi Asa, Susan Mariam Thomas, Vaishnav Mohan, V. Vinayak Shenai, and last Zandravi Anna. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I request the head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Dr. Dhanya PM, to first read out the names of students who have completed the 4-year BTech course in Computer Science and Engineering, and then the names of students who have completed the 2-year MTech course in Computer Sciences and Information Systems.
Good afternoon, one and all. I am here to present the list of BTech graduates from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in the year 2021. Akash R. Nair, Aditya Ravindran, Aaron Sajo, Abhishek Ajoy Menon, Ebin Benny, Adarsh Venugopal, Adil M, Aditya MS, Aishwarya MS, Ajay Benny, Ajay Krishnan BS, Ajay Patmanaban, Akhil B. Saria, Akshay Agustin Shebi, Akshay Tony, Alan P. Gio, Albi Binu Daniel, Alina Chinnu Biju, Alfred Nelson, Alan Nelson, Alfie Benny, Amala Menon, Emmy VM, Amrita Manoj, Amulya S. Joshi, Anamika R, Anand Shivaram, Angela Gladson, Anisha Mariam Abraham, Anita Joseph, Anjana Mary, Anjana Sebi, Anna R, Anna Skaria, Anne George, Annie Jamie, Anne Maria Benny, Anu Baby, Anush Matthew, Anthony J. Malakaran, Anujit MD, Anuraj T, Anusri Preeta Renjit, Anusri Ram E, Arjun G. Nair, Arjun KR, Arjun PV, Ashia Joseph, Ashifa Yusuf Ali, Ashwin Matthew, Asif Habib, Ashish Uman Vijay, Asna Yusuf Ali, Ashwin Prasad, Ashwin Sahil, Ashwin Suresh, Adira K.A., Atli P. Saju, B. Fatima, Benicia Shato, Bastina Perrier, Bismi Rose Thomas, Carol Anthony, Sarita Gerard, Chinnu Thomas, Chinnu Teresa Fulton, Krista Joshi, Christy Maria Benny, Daryl Ian Godwin, Della Dominic, Devika Salim Kumar, Dinub KP, Divya Jomi, Divya Sandhya Hari, Twinkle Anna Thomas, Ebin Babu K, Elsa S, Emelda Babu, Emmanuel Philippos Anthony, Fadilu Rahman KK, Gayatri Dinesh, George Prince Manuran, George Varghese P, Georgina George, Govind Rajkumar, Grita Joshi, Harikrishnan NS, Harikrishnan PS, Harishma M. Babu, Induleka R, Jebil Joseph Chaco, Jelin John, Jenny Mary Jose, Janet Jomi, Justin P. Gigi, Jibin Joby, Jilu James, Joanne Mary Jones, Joel Jose, Jomi Joni, Joseph Thomas, Joshua John Gigi, Justin Akara, Jovin P. Justin, Joel T. Jose, Catherine Ann Kelvin, Kenneth Augusti, Kevin George Leo, Kevin Matthew Joseph, Kevin Paul, Kevin Vinod, Kessia Thomas, Kessia K. John, Kiran Babu S, Krishna Anil Kumar, Lemil Xavier, Leah Sebastian, Lijo PL, Manu Tony, Maria James, Maria Jomi, Martin S, Matthew Francis, Megha Eldo, Megha K. Manoj, Megha Maria Akash, Melvin Matthew, Mary Jose, Milan Harindran, Mohammad Adil NM, Mohammad Aiman, Muhsin Ahmad Fasal, Nadin Matthew, Namida James, Namida Maria Benny, Navaneet Shankar EM, Neelima J. Jimmy, Neeraja Rajendra, Neha K., Neha Maria Sanil, Nihal Sainuddin Naina, Nikita Teresa Anthony, Nikita Arun, Ninila Sunil, Nipun Anup, Nidin KM, Nidin Valiyavida, Nidin Rajesh, Nivedita Verma, Noel Vijay Taliyat, Ovi Varsha, Pooja Hari, Prasid Papudan, Praveen P, Rahul S. Kumar, Rajika Rajesh, Reena Mary Cherian, Ria Varghese, Rinda Susan Thomas, Rita Gerard, Roshan Anish Medamana, Roshan Raju, Sachin Saji Matthew, Sai Gobika R, Sanjana R Nainan, Sanjay Soni, Sanju Jacob Ebi, Saring Suresh, Sara Philos Shaji, Sharat Pradeep, Shalin Walter, Sean Binu Koshi, Sharon Baby, Shreya Kurian, Sika Sunil, Sneha Johnson, Shrestha John Anthony, Shreyamol KR, Sujish VP, Sulakshana Sara Matthew, Surya Ratnam Charian, Swapna Thomas, Tessa Paul, Tanima Manoj, Tina Joseph, Tom K. Thomas, Tony K. Jose, Teresa Mani, Umesh PL, Vijay Vinod, Vikram Sarvesh, Vinay, Vishak J. Nair, Vaishak Murali, Vaishak Tachilet Paulos. Now I will present the list of students who have completed MTech in Computer Science and Information Systems in the year 2021. Amrita Kuriakos, Anjana George, Ashima K, Devu P, Danya Paulos, Donna Mary Charian, Donia Anthony, Henna Francis, Jinal Sebastian, Lakshmi Babu, Lynn Kurian, Manimala Ashwati Vishwanathan, Nikita Pinerio, Reni MR, Reshma Roy, Ringle Roy, Sabita Subair, Saju Abraham Thomas, Sharika Shashidharan Nair, Shweta Susan Shibu, Shilpa Mariam Saju, Srividya J. Menon, Shruti R. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I request the head of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Dr. Rutu James, to first read out the names of students who have completed the 4-year BTech course in Electronics and Communication Engineering, and then the names of students who have completed the 2-year MTech course in Communication Engineering, followed by the names of the students who have completed the 2-year MTech course in VLSI and Embedded Systems. Good afternoon, everyone. Let me present first the graduates from the Electronics and Communication Engineering in BTech for the year 2021. Abhirami S, Abhisha Matthew, Abhishek Sachidanandan, Abhilash Anil, Eben James, Abhishek Isaiah, Adarsh Krishna S, Afaf Mohammed, Agnes Johnny, Aishwarya Vidayathil, Aishwarya Tom, Ajit B, Akash Nath K, Akila Asas, Akila Susan Jo, Aksa Christopher, Akshay Ravindran, Alina Jason, Alina Maria Prince, Alina Rose Biju, Alisha N.A., Aloysius Shaji, Amal George Manila, Amal Joji, Amrita Elizabeth, Amrita Dhanadas, Anakha I.S., Anakha Manulal, Anandu Aji, Anjali K.S., Anna Koshi, Anetta Teresa Anthony, Anne Blind Gomez, Anne Jacob, Anne Maria Jojo, Anne Mary Jose, Anne Roy, Ansel E.S., Anup Joseph Ambukan, Anupriya V, Archana V, Arjun Dinesh Kumar, Arjun Sharif, Arun Tommy, Arya Shaji, Asher Gio Sobi, Adhira Menon M, K. Avalmanal, Aisha Thotathambadi Shiraz, Bevan Jude Korea, Bevan Varghese Theratil, Bhavana Krishna, Caroline JB, Caroline Liz Thomas, Charuda Suresh, Chinju Marin Raju, Christo Stanley, Darwin Cabral, Diana Maria Tommy, V. Aditya, Deepak Suresh, Delvin Augustine, Devi Sajeev, Durga Ji Karta, Eldo Regi, Elizabeth Francis, Elsa Maria, Emil Martin, Emil Tom Thomas, Fatima Hair Bawa, Gayatri Shashikumar, A. Govind, Grishma Stani, Greta Antonio, Harikumar S., Harshin V. Haris, Henna Yesudas, Hiranmayi, Hisham Sharif, Jacob Matthew, Jamila Jasrin, Jency Jacob, Jerry Joseph, Jocelyn Maria Johnson, Jissa Mariam Sam, Jitu John Thailat, Josna John, Jumana Russell Muhammad, Jyoti Maria Saji, Jolsana Maliyakal, K.A. Lakshmi Kripa, Kevin Jose Kalatil, Kiran Jojo, Krishna Madhusudanan, Lakshmi Sri P.K., Lakshmi Sri Kumar, Leona Selin, Mary Annie Joby, Megha Job, Melson Martin, Marin Sunil, Merita Matthew, Milu Tom, Mohammed Ashkar, Namida Pushpakumar, Nandana Nambiar C., Neeta Thomas, Nelisa Sebastian, Nelvin Savio, Nevin Tommy, Neeta Saji, Niveta, Nivya Rose Manoj, Nia Rose Suresh, Noel Ann Abraham, Philip J. Taikudam, Prithvi Prasad, Priya Benny, Rahul S. Peter, Renu Sebastian, Renu Roy, Ria Dominic, Ria Mary Joseph, Robin C.R., Rohan Matthew George, Rohit Nair, Rosanna Jose, Rose Maria Joy, Rubin Joseph Martin, Sandra Narayan, Sangeet Surendran, Sanjay Kumar E.S., Sanjay M.S., Sara Rose, Sedhu Lakshmi Nambiar, Shahana Medar Mansil, Sean Jacob E.S., Sheena Sara Abraham, Sharon Sunil Jose, Shikha Sudhir, Shilpa S. Manoj, Sweda Babu K.S., Siddharth S., Shilpa Johns, Simon T.M., Sleiman Munir, Ulikara Munir, Smira S., Sneha Jeromi, Sneha Jo, Snigdha Prakash, Sona Thomas, Sonia Sabu, Saumya M., Saurav A.K., Sri Lakshmi P., Sri Lakshmi M. Pai, Sruthi S., Suhana M., Suveda Yadav, Shweta Shaji Dominic, Tabasum Sakhir, Tania Jose, Tess Maria Varghese, Tejas Rajan, Tinsy Maria Thomas, Tom Savio, Teresa Maria Joseph, Ujita Suresh, Ujjwal Remikumar, Vaishnav Vaiju Narayan K., Varsha Benny, Varsha Ramdas, Vidhu Krishnan P., Vinla Rose Porathar Vincent, Vishal Menon, Vishal Varghese, Vishnu Vijay, Vismaya John Maliyekal, Vismaya N.S., V. Malavika Pradeep, and V.S. Achudan. Now let me present the graduates in MTech in Communication Engineering for the year 2021. Aisha Nita, Seren Kuriakos, Dia Achu Pradeep, Lavanya Sudesh, and Sunida V.S. Let me also present the graduates in MTech in VLSI and Embedded System for the year 2021. Angel Ann Yeshudasan, Anina Liju, Anne Maria Varghese, Anne Mary Martin, Anne Mary Thomas, Adira Viji, Hazel Christine Dikoto, Lakshmi Dineshan, Marina K. Kunyimon, Pooja Das, Rachel Anthony, Reshma KL, Roja Elna Jacob, and Shamnaz Meher. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I request the head of the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Dr. Elizabeth Rita Samuel, to first read out the names of students who have completed the 4-year BTech course in Electrical and Electronics Engineering, and then the names of students who have completed the 2-year MTech course in Industrial Drives and Control.
Good afternoon, everyone. Now I'll present the BTech graduates in Electrical and Electronics for the year 2021. Abhijit K.S., Abhinav A.P., Abhishek P. Damran, Aftab Sakhar Hussain Sheikh, Ajay Somnathan, Alina George, Alvin Verghese, Anand C. Baiju, Anandu T. Mani, Anvin J. Dominic, Arvind B.S., Archana P., Arjun J. Kumar, Austin Arjun, Cynthia Bobby, Edwin Matthew, Eldo Babu, Elsa Paulos, Elvina Raju, Esther Thomas, Fiji Jacob, Geo Agnel Manoj, Geo Benedict, George Thomas Mohan, Jeffin Matthew, Jeff Vincent, Jidan Paulos, Jimmy Jane George, Joel Johnson, Joe Thompson KM, John Francis P, Kamal Akhtar KU, Kiran Sara Thomas, Melvin Benny, Mohammad Rishal KA, Mohammad Shifas, Najla Nasreen, Nikhil Joy, P. Ashwin Ayapadas, Philomena Peter, Reisa Tasneem, Rahul Cherian, Raj Krishnan M, Rohit Joseph Matthew, Roshan Bernard, Roy J. Matthew, Sachin A. J, Safwan Ali Naushad, Sangeet Jacob Shaji, Sebin Jose, Shreya Sunil, Sri Lakshmi M, Srinath S, Shreya Srinivasan, Sudarshana S. Sunandan, Suvij K. S, Swati Hari, Vaishnavi S, Vijay N, and William V. Shelley. Now I present the list of MTech graduates in Industrial Drives and Control for the year 2021. Annie S. Gigi, C. S. Reshma, Femi Joseph, Haripriya V.G., Jitin C.V., Sri Kumar K., Vinayak Jayan, and Vaishak P. Anil Kumar. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I request the head of the Department of Information Technology, Dr. Niba E.A., to first read out the names of students who have completed the 4-year BTech course in Information Technology, and then the names of students who have completed the 2-year MTech course in Network Engineering.
Good afternoon, everyone. I present the list of BTech graduates from the Department of Information Technology in the year 2021. Aisha Namreen PN, Aishwarya Sajal, AJ Vani, Akshay Kumar A, Alan Francis Chiramvelal, Amruda S. Menon, Anjana Saju, Anna Kalivail, Anne Mary Matthew, Anne Maria, Archit Sharma, Arjun Aloysius, Joel CJ, Harishma CS, Dane Thomas, Deviga Anil Kumar, Deviga MB, Divya John, Don Kadavungal Sunny, Eileen Mariam Nainan, Fasia Altaf, Febin Michael Anthony, Femi Rose Paul, Harsha Prasad, Helen Maria Benjamin, Ritik Baiju, Ignatius Pauli, Jess Nobi, Joel K. Jose, Joseph Joji Cheriat, Malaviga R, Manju V.S., Meera Viji, Megha Manuel, N. Dharani Devi, Nelson Shobi, Nikhil Shabu, Nikhil Paul Francis, Nikita Maria James, Nived Kaniyambadi Balachandran, Pavitra Madhu, Rahul R, Rio, Ria John, Robin Jos Purakat, Rose Joshi, Sanal Varma S, Sandra Maria, Shahiz KS, Shehnaz Abdul Salam, Sneha Paulos K, Sneha Shashikumar, Susanna Isaac, Varun S, Swadi Ramesh, Tejas Paul, Tundaparambil Anthony Clinton, Vanessa Celine Gomez, Vishnu Pradeep. Now I present the list of students who completed their MTech in Network Engineering in the year 2021. Rizbana Ali SM, Aksa Sunny, Annie Soni, Anuba Paul, Anthony Devasi, Aishat A. Sitara, Gayatri Padmanabhan, Jasna Maria KJ, Jarin Jose, K.A. Abdul Musin, Krishnadas N, Joel Jackson, Safa Hassana Ali K.A., Shweda V. Devan, and Vineet V. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I request the head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Dr. Manoj G. Tharian, to read out the names of students who have completed the 4-year BTech course in Mechanical Engineering.
Good afternoon to you all. May I present the BTech graduates from the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Ashish Charu, Achyut D. Tankan, Aditya Aravind, Aditya Jaydas, Ajay G. Dev, Ajay Varghese, C. Agil Balu, Agil M. Shafiq, Akshay Krishnan, Alan George, Alan James, Alan Matthew Johnny, Alan Thomas V, Amal Raj, A. Muhammad Rizwan, Anish Anthony, Anson Joy, Aravind P. Madhu, Arun M. Joshi, Ashik Faisal, Ashish Mohan, Estelle Cherian, Ashwas Vincent, Ashwin M, Ashwin S. Nair, Basil Varghese, Ben George, Benjamin George Moodale, Selvin John, Christo J. Kakasheri, Sibin Joe Jacob, Daniel Sam Binu, Daryl V. John, Delvin David, Derek Ben Paul, Edwin Davis, Edwin Thomas, Ganesh Jyotirmanu D, Gary Varghese Kurian, Gaurav Bashir, Godwin Sylvin, Goguldas VR, Hamim Mohammed, Hamza Rahman, Harikrishnan V, Hariprasad U. Chukrasheri, Harun Rayan Harris, G. Joseph, Jerin P. Raju, Jidin John George, Jidin Sebastian O'Wellil, Jobin Francis, Joel John, Joel John Philip, Joel Jose, Joel Jose, John Manuel C., John S. Chundat, Joji Paul, Joe Martin, V. Aftab Afzal, Arjun Suresh, Jose Shibu, Jose Nye J. Dedumdakadi, Joseph Xavier, Joshua Matthew Jacob, Jude Joseph George, Justin Romeo, Kevin Aji Matthew, Kevin Joseph, Leo Anthony Joji, Leonard Sebastian, Lisa Matthew, M. Ajmal, Manu Pradeep, Manu S. Warrior, Manuel George Varghese, Manuel Thomas, Matthew Eldos K., Melvin Matai Potan, Mohammad Samarin, Mohammad Ajmal P., Mohammad Mirsab, Mohammad Suhan, Mohammad Faiz M.A., Mohammad Jasir K., Nikhil Sajan, Nitin Sunny, Nitin E. Matthew, Noel Paul, Noel Sebastian, Paul Sebastian, Pranav Raju, Prince Paulos, Rahul Francis Binoy, Rohit Cherian Jacob, Rohit Shine, Sanjay Salim, Sanju Jose, Savio Tom Joseph, Sean Shaju, Siraj K. Marikar, Srijit Palaniswamy, Steve Varghese Blessen, Steve Vincent, Thomas George, Thomas Joy Kutukaran, Thomas K. Varghese, Tom Joe, Tony Joy, Vinayak A. Ashok, Vishnu K.C., Yedu Krishna K.S., and Yashwant S. Sean Thomas Varghese, Joshua Abraham Matthews, Paul A.B. Painadat, Varghese Ajay, Vivian John, Mohammad Marwan T.P., Rochan Joseph, Jose R. Laxon. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations to all our graduates and postgraduates. May the successful completion of this academic dream be an inspiration to dream more and achieve more in the true Rajagiri spirit. ARSIT believes in recognizing merit and acknowledging the hard work of its students. It is in this spirit that the college has instituted various awards and scholarships for the students. Cash prizes will be awarded to the meritorious students. Before we begin the award ceremony, we would like to brief list the special awards instituted by ARSIT for acknowledging academic excellence, which would be distributed on this occasion. Gold medal, along with certificate and cash awards, are awarded to students who perform outstandingly well during their course of BTech program. The proficiency awards awarded to the student who has secured the highest CGPA in each branch of BTech and MTech based on the aggregate marks secured on first attempt till the previous semester university examinations. The award carries a cash prize and a proficiency certificate. The honors list awarded to the top 5 students of each branch based on the aggregate marks secured on first attempt as per the latest university results published. Merit awards are given to the students who have either A+ or O grade in all subjects of a semester. The merit award in mathematics given to the students who have either A+ or O grade in all the 4 mathematics courses of the BTech program. The merit award in humanities given to the students who have either A+ or O grade in all the 3 humanities courses of the BTech program. The Special Endowment Award for the top scorer in Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, that is GATE, instituted by Professor M. Mahadevan, a former principal, in memory of his parents. Professor Dr. Rajan Pillai Award, instituted in memory of a former professor and head of Computer Science and Engineering, given to the student with outstanding research or academic performance. A special award funded by the alumni and faculty members of Department of Information Technology in remembrance of our former faculty, Ms. Mary John. The award ceremony today will begin with these special awards. May I request our director, Reverend Dr. Jose Kuriadet, CMI, to give away the special awards. The Special Achievement Award is presented to Ms. Pooja Vinod of BTech Computer Science and Engineering 2016-2020 batch for her outstanding academic, co-curricular and extracurricular achievements. She is the university level first rank holder in Computer Science and Engineering across 145 engineering colleges of the Kerala Technological University with a CGPA of 9.76. She is the recipient of Dr. Rajan Pillai Memorial Award for the year 2020. She is the department topper for all semesters and recipient of department and college scholarships for meritorious academic performance. She is the only student from our set to be selected for the role of Azure Cloud and AI Consultant Microsoft. She has showcased all-round performance across non-curricular fields and also received awards in various national and state level competitions. She was awarded the title of Kala Tilakam at RSET Annual Arts Fest and has also given various inspirational talks about technical and non-technical opportunities for students. I request Ms. Pooja Vinod to kindly come forward to receive her award. Dr. Rajan Pillai Memorial Award is presented to Mr. Selvin John of BTech Mechanical Engineering 2017-2021 batch for its outstanding academic and research accomplishments. Mr. Selvin John has consistently displayed academic excellence throughout the BTech program. He has secured the highest CGPA among all 2017-21 batch students in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Selvin has received the Merit Award for his academic performance and has even successfully completed various NPTEL certification courses. The project team in which Selvin was a member has bagged an Innovation Award of Rs 2 lakh from Kerala Startup Mission for research on morphing wing technology. His performance in academics and research activities make him an ideal candidate for the Professor Dr. Rajan Pillai Memorial Award for the year 2021. He is also a recipient for the Proficiency Award for the year 2021 from the Mechanical Department. I request Mr. Selvin John to kindly come forward to receive his award. RSET Special Achievement Award is presented to Mr. Alex T. Matthew of BTech Electronics and Communication Engineering 2016-2020 batch for his brilliant performance in GATE 2021, securing an All India rank of 101. I request Mr. Alex T. Matthew to kindly come forward to receive his award. Special Endowment Award for being the GATE top scorer for the year 2020 is awarded to Ms. M. Revati of BTech Computer Science and Engineering 2016-2020 batch. Unfortunately, she couldn't join us today due to personal reasons. Special Endowment Award for being the GATE top scorer for the year 2021 is awarded to Mr. Jobin Francis of BTech Mechanical Engineering 2017-2021 batch. He is also the recipient for the Proficiency Award for the year 2021 from the Mechanical Department. He also receives the Merit Award for Semester 5. I request Mr. Jobin Francis to kindly come forward to receive his award. Mr. Atlee P. Saju of BTech in Computer Science and Engineering of 2017-2021 batch receives the Special Award for securing the highest percentile in GATE 2021 exam. I request Mr. Atlee P. Saju to kindly come forward to receive his award. Ms. Megha Manuel from the Department of Information Technology 2017-2021 batch is the recipient of the special award which is funded by the alumni and the faculty of IT department in remembrance of Ms. Mary John. She is also the recipient of the Proficiency Award from the IT department for the year 2021. I request Ms. Megha Manuel to kindly come forward to receive her award. Congratulations and best wishes to all of you for more successes in your future. Thank you, Father. We begin with the Proficiency Awards for the BTech and MTech program. May I request our Principal, Dr. P.S. Srijit, to give away the Proficiency Awards. From the Department of Applied Electronics and Instrumentation, for the year 2020, we have Rakesh Rajagopal. Unfortunately, he couldn't join us today due to personal reasons. And for the year 2021, we have Rivya Anna Noble. She also receives the S7 Merit Award. From the Department of Applied Electronics and Instrumentation with specialization in signal processing, for the year 2020, we have Swati M. From the Department of Civil Engineering, for the year 2020, Chinnu Teresa. She also receives the S7 Merit Award. For the year 2021, Anita John. She receives the Merit Award for Semester 4, Semester 5 and Semester 7 as well. From the Department of Computer Science and Engineering for the year 2021, we have Melvin Matthew. He also receives the Merit Award in Mathematics and Merit Award for Semester 5 and Semester 7. From the Department of Computer Science and Engineering with specialization in Computer Science and Information System, for the year 2020, we have Aparna Padmakumar Ranjana and Shruti KV. Unlikely, Shruti couldn't join us today. And for the year 2021, we have Sharika Shashidharan Nair. Her mother will be collecting the award on her behalf. From the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering for the year 2020, we have Dia Jo. And for the year 2021, we have V. Aditya. She also receives the Merit Award for S4 and S7. From the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering with specialization in Communication Engineering, for the year 2020, we have Ms. Arati Shankar. And for the year 2021, Dia Achu Pradeep. From the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering with specialization in VLSA and embedded systems, for the year 2020, we have Zareen Minnie Jobson. And for the year 2021, Reshma KL. From the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering for the year 2020, we have Parvati Siju. And for the year 2021, Aftab Zakar Hussain Seth. He also receives the Merit Award in Mathematics and Merit Award for S4 and S7. From the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering with specialization in Industrial Drives and Control for the year 2020, Ms. Bethlyn Iris Francis. And for the year 2021, Mr. Vinayak Jain. From the Department of Information Technology for the year 2020, we have Sahla Muhammad Ali. She has secured the second rank in KTU University exam. From the Department of Information Technology with specialization in Network Engineering for the year 2020, we have Adira MD. And for the year 2021, Annie Sonia. From the Department of Mechanical Engineering for the year 2020, we have Nipul Jose. He has also received the S6 Merit Award. Thank you, sir. Dr. K. Paulos Jacob is a former Pro-Vice Chancellor of Cochin University of Science and Technology. During the period he was on the rolls of CUSAT, he held several academic positions like Chairman of 4 different boards of studies and Dean of the Faculty of Engineering as well as Dean of the Faculty of Technology. He continues as a member of CUSAT Academic Council in his 25th year. A recognized thesis supervisor of CUSAT, he has authored around 150 referred journal and international conference papers. 24 scholars have secured PhD under his supervision. He is a professional member of the ACM and life member of the CSI. Presently, he continues at RSET as Professor and Dean of R&D. May I invite Dr. K. Paulos Jacob to give away the Dean's Honours Award. From the Department of Applied Electronics and Instrumentation for the year 2020, Alita Morvina Kurian. Anu Joseph. Chaitanya Krishnakumar. Fatima Sharsoom. For the year 2021, Vignesh Anandakrishnan, he also receives the S7 Merit Award. Ashwinar. Ritu Dinesh. finally, Akhil Givargis Albi. He also receives the S7 Merit Award. From the Department of Civil Engineering for the year 2020, Angel Teresa Prince. She receives the Merit Award for 6th semester and 7th semester. Dia Elizabeth Isaac. She receives the Merit Award for semester 7. Niranjana Sunil receives the Merit Award for S7 as well. For the year 2021, Leena Elsa Patros. She has received the Merit Award in Maths as well as the Merit Award for S4, S5 and S7. Anjana Francis. She is also the recipient of Merit Award for S4, S5 and S7. Akshara TR. She is also a recipient of Merit Award in S4 and S7. From the Department of Computer Science and Engineering for the year 2020, Linda Marin Jolly. She is also a recipient of S6 Merit Award. Abhiya Sajan. She has also received the Merit Award in S5, S6 and S7. Next we have Faraz Nazir. For the year 2021, we have Maria Jomi. She has received the Merit Award in Humanities as well as the Merit Award in S4, S5 and S7. Next we have Aishwarya MS. She has received the Merit Award in Maths as well as Merit Award for S4 and S5. Rita Gerard. She has also received the Merit Award for S5 and S7. Emelda Babu. She has received the Merit Award in Maths and the Merit Award for S4 and S7. From the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, we have Amrita Elsa Vetil. And Malavika Vinod. For the year 2021, Diana Maria Tommy. She has also received the Merit Award in Maths and Merit Award for semester 7. And we have Nandana Nambiar C. She has received the Merit Award in Maths and Merit Award for S4 and S7. From the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering for the year 2020, we have Ria Elizabeth Alex. Reshmi Ravindranath. And Sanjana L. For the year 2021, Shreya Srivasan EV. She has received the Merit Award in Maths and the Merit Award for Sem 4 and Semester 7. Next we have Elsa Paulos. She has received the Merit Award in Humanities and Merit Award for Semester 4. And we have Geo Benedict. He has received the Merit Award in S7. From the Department of Information Technology for the year 2020, Adita O.V. She has secured the 4th rank in KTU University exam. Karthik N. Menon, he has secured the 5th rank in KTU University exam. Kevin Thomas, he has secured the 10th rank in KTU University exam and also received the Merit Award for Semester 6. And finally, Aishwarya Ashok Kumar. For the year 2021, Joseph Georgi Chirayat, he has secured the 7th rank in KTU University exam. Next we have Fazia Altaf. S. Varun. Nikita Maria James. From the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Akshay M. He has received the S6 Merit Award as well. Rohin M. Thomas, he has received the S6 Merit Award. And John Tojo, he also receives the S6 Merit Award. For the year 2021, Hamza Ramzan Zafar, he has received the Merit Award in Mathematics. And finally, Mohammad Suhan. Now let's start off with the Merit Awards. From the Department of Applied Electronics and Instrumentation for the year 2021, we have Kalyani K. Nair. She also receives the Merit Award for Semester 7. From the Department of Civil Engineering for the year 2020, Anujit J.A. He also receives the S7 Merit Award. Next we have Ashwati E.B. She also receives the S6 Merit Award. For the year 2021, we have Alina Selin B.S. She also receives the S4 and S7 Merit Award. Anaka Kuriakos, she also receives S4 and S7 Merit Award. Anjita S, she also receives the S7 Merit Award. Aaron Roy, she also receives the S7 Merit Award. Her sister will be collecting the award on her behalf. Jasmine Elsina, she also receives S7 Merit Award. Jwala Joshi K, she also receives S7 Merit Award. Satvik Suresh, he also receives the S7 Merit Award. Sona Rose Bins, she also receives S7 Merit Award. And finally, Sri Lakshmi SR, she also receives the S7 Merit Award. From the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Leah Teresa B, she also receives the S6 and S7 Merit Award. Anisha Faber, she also receives S5 and S7 Merit Award. Matthew James, he received the S7 Merit Award as well. Arsha Georgie, she receives the S7 Merit Award. Anaka A, she receives S5 and S6 Merit Award. Drishya KJ, she receives the S6 Merit Award. Sebin Paulos, he receives the S6 Merit Award. And Parvati Venugopal, she receives the S5 Merit Award. For the year 2021, Chinnu Teresa Fulton, she also receives the Merit Award for S4 and S7. Twinkle Anna Thomas, she also receives Merit Award for S5 and S7 and Merit Award in Mathematics. Elsa S. Karingada, she receives Merit Award for S4, S5 and S7 and Merit Award in Humanities. Janet Jomi, she receives S7 Merit Award. Kevin George Leo, he receives S4 and S7 Merit Award and Merit Award in Mathematics. Megha Eldo, she receives S4, S5 and S7 Merit Award and Merit Award in Humanities. Megha Maria Akash, she receives Merit Award in Mathematics and S7 Merit Award. Anisha Mariam Abraham, she receives S4 and S7 Merit Award. Sarita Gerard, she receives S7 Merit Award and Merit Award in Maths. Chinnu Thomas, she receives S7 Merit Award. Megha K. Manoj, she receives S7 Merit Award. Christy Maria Benny, she receives S7 Merit Award. Divya Jomi, she receives S7 Merit Award. George Prince Manjuran, he receives the Merit Award for S4, S5 and S7 and Merit Award in Mathematics. Nitin KM, he receives the Merit Award in S5 and S7 and Merit Award in Mathematics. O.V. Varsha, she receives Merit Award for Semester 5 and Semester 7 and Merit Award in Mathematics. The following students have received Merit Award for Semester 7. Krista Joshi, Grita Joshi, Rajika Rajesh, Roshan Reju, Sneha Johnson, Shreya Mol KR, Tina Joseph, Vikram Sarvesh, he has also received Merit Award in Humanities. Vaishak Tachileth Paulos, Anjana Sebi, Annie Jamie, Anu Baby, she's also received Merit Award in Mathematics. Ashia Joseph, Kesia K. John, she has received Merit Award for Semester 4 and 7 and Merit Award in Mathematics. Anamika R, she has received Merit Award for Semester 4 and Semester 5. Justin PGG, he has received S4 Merit Award. Tanima Manoj, she receives Merit Award in Mathematics. Nilina Sunil, she has received Merit Award in Mathematics. And finally, Anusri Ram E, she has received the Merit Award in Mathematics. Thank you, Father. Reverend Dr. Jason Paul Mullerikal CMI is a former computational scientist at the University of Auckland, New Zealand. He received his PhD in high performance scientific computing from the Australian National University, Canberra. He is a member of supercomputing team of APJ Abdul Kalam Technological University and the founder of Shunya Labs, which is a center of excellence in advanced computing and communications at RSET. May I invite our Vice Principal, Reverend Dr. Jason Paul Mullerikal CMI, to give away the merit awards. From the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Agnes Johnny. She receives merit award for semester 4 and semester 7. Anne Blind Gomez. She receives merit award for semester 7. Anupriya V. She also receives S7 merit award. Durga Ji Karta. She has received merit award for semester 4 and semester 7. Greta Antonio. She receives merit award for semester 4 and 7. Jerry Joseph. He has received S7 merit award. Jumana Russell Mohammed. She has received S7 merit award. Leona Selin. She also receives S7 merit award. Neeta Thomas. She has also received S7 merit award. Neeta Saji. She has received merit award for semester 4 and 7. Next are the recipients of S7 merit award. Nivya Rose Manoj. Priya Benny. Shilpa S. Manoj. Siddharth S. Snigdha Prakash. Sona Thomas. Soumya M. Sri Lakshmi M. Pai. Tanya Jose. Varsha Benny. Varsha Ramdas. V. Malavika Pradeep. And finally, Akhila Susan Jo, who receives the Merit Award in Mathematics. From the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering for the year 2021, Cynthia Bobby. She receives S7 Merit Award. Elvina Raju. She receives S4 Merit Award. P. Ashwin Ayapadas, he receives Merit Award in Mathematics. Sangeet Jacob Shaji also receives Merit Award in Mathematics. And Archana P. receives Merit Award in Mathematics. From the Department of Mechanical Engineering for the year 2020, Rahul R. Menon. He receives the S6 Merit Award. And Arjun M., who has also received the S6 Merit Award. For the year 2021, Manu Pradeep, who has received the S7 Merit Award. And finally, Sanju Jose, who has received the Merit Award in Mathematics. Thank you, Father. We've now completed the awarding of our meritorious students. To reiterate their commitment to society and the noble profession they have chosen, we now have the oath taking by the graduates. I request our principal, Dr. P.S. Srijit, to administer the oath. Graduates, kindly rise and extend your right hand.
Yes, you can stretch your hands like this. As a young engineer, I dedicate my professional knowledge and skill to the advancement and betterment of human welfare. I pledge to give the utmost performance to participate in none but honest enterprise, to live and work according to the laws of mankind and the highest standards of professional conduct, to place service before profit, the honor and standing of the profession before personal advantage, and the public welfare above all other considerations. In humility and with the need for divine guidance, I make this pledge. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Let's now rise for the Rajagiri anthem.
Rajagiri, oh, the hill of the king, renew as the daring king, reaching out to souls come seeking, righteous way of true living.
I now invite Ms. V. Aditya as a graduate representative to share her thoughts with us on this special occasion.
To the guest of honor today, Dr. P.S. Sati Devi, Director in Charge, NIT Calicut. To our Director, Reverend Dr. Jose Kuriedith, Reverend Father Benny Nalkara, Provincial and Manager. To our Principal, Dr. P.S. Srijit, the entire faculty, proud parents, and all my batchmates who are present here, as well as to all the online viewers, I wish you all a very pleasant afternoon. They say, quote, "The things we never saw coming often takes us to the places we never imagined we could go." It is so befitting because when we left our college one evening in our pre-final semester, we never imagined that we would have such an unusual academic year ahead. And here we are, participating in a virtual graduation ceremony unlike anything we have ever had before. Let me first thank our guest of honor, Dr. P.S. Sati Devi, for gracing the occasion, and Reverend Father Benny Nalkara for joining with us today. Also, my gratitude to our director, Reverend Dr. Jose Kuriedith, who actively monitors the progress of this institution and its students. My gratitude to our principal, Dr. P.S. Srijit, who constantly delivered nothing but the best to us, along with the Rajagiri management, who always ensured we were provided with ample opportunities and right exposure. My biggest appreciation and thanks to our placement cell, especially Biju Paul sir and Varun sir, for operating around the year, bringing in companies and providing us with the right training so that we could bag more than 900 plus offers this year. It is not easy to articulate the experience of 4 years in a matter of few minutes, but in these years, each one of us have evolved in a unique manner in this institution. With the gardens, lakes, greens that lured us to this campus, Rajagiri gave us a beautiful campus, but we were unfortunate to enjoy it for less than 1 year. Entering the college with a lot of uncertainties and fright of engineering, to finally leaving behind all inhibitions and acing through the toughest of subjects, even with last-minute preparation, an engineer was made. And all was fueled by none other than our teachers. In my opinion, the most remarkable thing about the faculty in Rajagiri was that, unlike others who would just emphasize on technical subjects, our teachers ensured that we had good ethics, good communication, presentation skills, and we were all raised to be good human beings. And this is the nobility of their profession. To quote one of my teachers, "The assignments, records, and all the academic pressure might have drained us at times, but the biggest takeaway was the skill of getting things done efficiently on time." Switching to online learning was the most unforeseen blow for us. Our generation was more accustomed to screens, but for teachers to make that leap from conventional teaching and finding new methods to teach these technical concepts online was really challenging. And they really had to go an extra mile this time to teach us amidst the pandemic, and this is why their profession is truly noble again. Finally, to all my friends present here and to the online viewers, I know we were all waiting to have that one last graduation ceremony in this very auditorium ever since it was made. But I know it is painful to know that we might not have an actual class photo taken this time, and we might have missed tons of lasts in college, like our last trip, our last lecture, our last celebration together, and several more things. But looking back, we might have also cherished many of our first online meeting, our first online celebration, online test, online lab, and whatnot. This has really been an unusual journey. Many of us have left this institution, but they still proudly flaunt that tag of being a Rajagirian, now and wherever they go. And today, we have all earned that tag. And I will forever be indebted to this institution for providing me with that brand name attached to my name. Thank you for everything.
Thank you, Aditya. I now request Executive Member of the RSET Alumni Association, Mr. Alexander P.A., 2002-2006 batch, Practice Head at Cerium Systems, a Tech Mahindra company, to welcome the graduates to the RSET Alumni Association.
Distinguished guests on and off the dais, future technocrats, their beloved parents, faculty members, non-teaching staff, and ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to one and all present here. First of all, let me take this opportunity to congratulate all the graduates of 2021 batch. In fact, a big kudos to you as well as the faculty staff, because I understand you happen to be the first batch to pass out in this time of COVID pandemic situation. And it's been a really tough times for all of us. And like one of your representatives rightly said, there are many things, many things that you have missed not being in the campus, but there are like many firsts also that you become the part of. Let me give a brief. I myself, Alexander, from the second batch of Rajagiri. I have been lucky enough to be, I now feel very proud to be part of this organization because I have seen the growth of this institution right from its inception days. We started off from a small building, one-storied building in where Christianity is currently, and to what you see now. It's a growth by huge leaps and bounds. And that speaks a lot of character about this whole institution and the vision of its management. And for you people to graduate out of this prestigious institution, it's a big label in itself. Take it from me, I am giving you that. Now, the bestowed upon duty upon me is to welcome you all into the alumni family. Now, like our distinguished guest of honor pointed out, the last 4 years has been, academically, you people have been taught by the faculty on different disciplines, all those stuffs. Now, from tomorrow onwards, you are getting into your next phase of life, wherein, practicality rules and reality strikes. Okay. So, it also, you have been given a certain conditioning over this while, but going tomorrow, you are going to make use of it. Okay. Now, how you can give back to your organizations that you molded you so far. That is where, being part of the alumni comes into picture. To give you an eagle's eye view of this alumni association, today we are currently about 8,500 odd strength, okay? And we are spread across pretty much all over the world. And in different walks of life, you can find at least one person. So the thing about being alumni is, part of being the alumni is that you are not missing your alma mater anymore. You are coming back to it, you are giving back to it in different way that other than what you have been doing so far. So this being part of the alumni gives you an opportunity to give back to your alma mater. Let me just give you a few of some highlights of what our activities has been. As you all know, last 1.5 years, all of us has been hit seriously by this pandemic. And online education has been the way. In fact, not only in education, even back in companies also, the way of the work culture itself changed dramatically. Now, RSET alumni has played a significant role in enabling the student and the faculty community to transition from this typical physical in-class to move to this online mechanism. Also, since the frequent lockdowns were there, we kind of lost our that interpersonal or that in-between chargings that we had during our social meetings and gatherings. But there also, to some extent, we, Alumni Association, pitched in with certain online activities, competitions, Maybe not to the extent that we would have had, but at least something is better than nothing. So there also we were able to pitch in with some activities and initiatives. One another thing that we play a major role is academics is kind of stipulated from by certain university and its syllabus. And last year, since we have been granted the autonomous status, I sincerely hope that it goes a long way in bridging that gap between industry and academics. So there is one key area where we alumni plays a significant role. All of us will be working in either core industry or any industry for that matter. We will be living with the industry trends, the latest trends or the latest technology developments that is there. But the academics never caught up to it. Now we as an alumni will be a bridging gap between that. And with the autonomous status being awarded to our institution, I believe that the bridging of the gap can become much more easier. Me personally have been, been part of this. I belong to the Electronics and Communication Department. I've been giving sessions, interacting with people. I've been doing that. So now the question is, it might not happen over a night, but the alumni brings in that connect between the academics and the industry. Now, again, our institution has been awarded consecutively over the years with multiple accreditations by NBA, NAC and all. They're all alumni has been, one of the significant part played. This is on the institution front. Now, it's not just, institution part alone. There are some social impact also that we are trying to bring in, wherein we have been, some years back, the endosulfan affected areas, our alumni has, given support. We have been raising funds and providing medical support to some of a few of our alumni members. So these are the few of the highlights that which I want to bring it up here. And on the fun side, we have had this alumni versus college team, sports events, football tournament was announced. So all these things happen. And till the lockdown, prior to the lockdown, we used to have an yearly get together in the college campus. So that gives you a chance to rekindle the good old memories, connect back with your families, with your families to the faculties. Sure. It gives you an opportunity for that. So basically what I'm trying to tell here is, though you are passed out now, you are not going away from this institution. You are still continuing to be part of this organization, being part of this larger family called as alumni, RASET Alumni Association. Okay, and once again, let me welcome you all, 2021 batch graduates, to this RSET Alumni family, and also wishing you the very best for all your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, Alexander. May I now invite our Vice Principal, Reverend Dr. Jason Paul Mullerikil, CMI, to propose the vote of thanks.
Respected Father Director, Principal, distinguished guests on and off the dais, and those who have graced us with their online presence, dear graduates and their parents, respected teachers, priestly brethren, and faculty colleagues. It is time for a vote of thanks. But unlike in any other events, it has got profound significance since you're officially in the final minutes of your college life. And as soon as you go out of this auditorium, which of course you are coming for the first time, unfortunately because of the COVID pandemic, you will officially become professionals who will embark upon a journey to fly high and reach higher heights in your life. We wish you all the very best. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. The whole world will conspire you to get it. Now, let me come to my duty. First of all, let me express our heartfelt thanks to the President of this function, Reverend Father Benny Nalkara, the Provincial and the Manager of RSET. Thank you, Father, for your kind presence an inspiring message online. We would like to place on record our heartiest gratitude to Dr. P.S. Sati Devi, Director in Charge, NIT Calicut. Thank you, ma'am, for kindly. The rest are our family members. Reverend Dr. Jose Correa has been giving energetic and efficient leadership to ARSET family for the last year during these trying times. Thank you, Father, for your gracious presence and blessings today. It is a tireless efforts of the principal that helps sail our students to get through this mark, especially during this pandemic. Thank you, sir, for your leadership and your kind presence today. A big thanks to the graduate representative, Ms. Aditya V of EC Department for your grateful words, and also alumni representative, Mr. Alexander P.A. for your kind presence. The next are the teachers, starting from the deans, the HODs, and the non-teaching faculty till our housekeeping staff. They are the ones who deserve greatest gratitude today. I'm sure you know much more than me, and all the students who are here are indebted to them and their presence here. The greatest gratitude we can do is to put into practice what they have taught you in your lives. Thank you all. We also cannot forget the pain and the care your parents have taken to reach up to here. Thank you, dear moms and dads and guardians, not only for your presence, but for what you have done to them to get here. Thank you. Once again, thanking you all, especially all committee members. Under the leadership of Dr. Sylvie, I remain. Thank you.
Thank you, Father. May I call upon Reverend Dr. Jose Correa, CMI, Director ARSET, to declare the dissolution of the graduation ceremony.
I declare Samavarthanam 2021 of the 11th batch of MTech degree and the 17th batch of BTech degree program of Rajagiri School of Engineering and Technology to be concluded. Thank you.
The official program of Samavarthanam 2021 will conclude with the national anthem. Please rise. Take your seats. Congratulations to our graduates and postgraduates. We are all proud of you. You worked hard, you succeeded, and now you should celebrate. This day signifies a new beginning for each and every one of you. The closing hour has finally arrived. Tomorrow, new challenges and opportunities await our graduates that will further test their mettle as improving individuals. As they continue with their journey, May they look back to this stage in their life with fondness and pride. Enjoy your day of celebration with your family and friends. Thank you and good luck. Parents are requested to move to the refreshment counters set up outside the hall. HODs, class teachers and students are requested to stay back for the photo session. I repeat, parents are requested to move to the refreshment counters set up outside the hall. HODs, class teachers and students are requested to stay back for the photo session.